You see those two singing photos. One is just AI generated photo. The other one is, my own photo. You can use it to even create contents, whether on Facebook or elsewhere, and monetize. These are simple things people are doing online. So, in this video, I want to show you how you can simply do this with Meta AI. So let's quickly go. Just follow through and learn how to do this. Very, very simple. So beyond singing, you can see it to do so many other things, and these tools are very much free. Now let me show you. So the first step here is to make sure you have this Meta AI app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can just quickly download it. So once you have it, let's click to open it. Let's quickly open it. So initially when you open it, you may find yourself in any of the areas. Let me show you this one. You might find yourself under vibes. That's what you're seeing here. You might find yourself under chat or device, whichever one, when you open it first. So let me see chat. When you're under chat, this is exactly what you're going to see. The system might be asking you a lot of, giving you instances. If you want to create a video from your photo, create an image of me hiking to Everest Base, and a lot of things, the system is suggesting you could do. So if you want any of these things, just simply do that. But if you say no, you just want to ask the system you're on, it's okay. Make a photo. This is what I'm typing. This is under chat now. A photo of a little girl. Okay, a mother, an old woman. Okay, an old woman praising God. Okay, sorry. Praising God. You put this way. Just watch, it's generating. Now, just watch. This is one of the ways when you want to go straight through chat. This is what you do. I will still show you what to do when you want to go through media. Now, this is an old woman. Now, listen to me. This is all about prompts. You can see the picture you are seeing here. If I want this thing to be specifically an old woman, a black woman, I will put, let it be a black woman, let it be a typical Nigerian woman, and that's exactly what the system will give me. So make sure you tell the system exactly how you want it to be. Now, but that's not my interest now, so I want to click simply on one of them. So anyone I want to use now, I'm going to tap on it. Now, I type on this. Okay, I may decide to choose this. Okay, let me just choose the second one. Now, having choose the second one, now watch all of this down here. You are seeing prompt. You are seeing edit. You are seeing ad. You are seeing an image. You are seeing lip sync. Because I wanted to sing, I want to click on lip sync. Now, having clicked on listen, I'm going to choose, these are the suggested song the system has given to me. If I can't see any of these things under popular, for me, suggested, original, I can type and search the song I want on the search bar. But I can choose any of these ones. This one says, Lord, thank you for everything you do for me. I click to see what the song looks like and how it sounds. So let me click on it and see. It's a nice song, so I can go with it. So I click on this arrow here. Now, having clicked on that, I go up here, I click on done. Watch. I click on done, and the system is generating. Just calm down and allow the system to generate this song. And you now watch the woman sing this song. Once we are done with it, I'm going to also show you what's the one you can do with your, a photo you already have on your device. Now, it's a different way from this. It's very short. I'm going to show you. Just be patient. Let's go this. Just watch. It's reading 36%, 37%. It's just moving fast. Just briefly, we'll be done. So this is a very, very simple. You do all of these things. And Meta AI is a free tool. Very, very free. So you can decide to even create all of this. This is things people like this song. People like when they see a little child, an older man, whatever, a beggar. Things you can design that looks funny. You can even design an animal singing. Ask the system, give me an animal singing, and a group of animals, and you see it happening. And when people watch these things, like when it comes to content creation media of today, these are things people are even interested in. It may not make too much sense to you, but people love it. Now, let me open it. Thank you, Lord, for everything you Are you seeing it? Now, it doesn't stop here. Now, if you look at this song, while the woman was singing it, it stopped. The song was 663 sing. If you want to extend the woman singing more, come here where they have extend and click on extend. The woman will sing, far further than this. Now, if after that, and you still want that to extend again, you click on extend, it will sing further than that. Do you understand? So if you are just sang for 9 seconds now, when you click on extend, it will sing for 12 seconds or 15. You click on extend, it will sing for another, up to 20 seconds. So you can use this to create something that can sing for a longer time. That's exactly how the system works. So once you have done, you click on these 3 arrows here, these 3 dots here. You click on there to click on either save or delete. In this case, I want to save it. You see the system will show that you have saved it once he has done. So in that case, you are done and you go for. Let me now show you the one that has to do with you using a media. Let's quickly go. Now I still click on this area, these 3 lines up here at the top left. That's where you choose your menu. Now remember the one we choose was chart. Now I want to use media. In this media, now the system wants you to choose any of your photos. Do you understand? Choose any of your photos that you already have. So all I need to do now, what I'm having is video. So look at this arrow, this plus sign here, close to describe an image or video. Just click on it. Click on that plus sign. The same will ask you to download either your camera or you want to snap camera. You want to snap immediately maybe you are facing the camera and you want to snap yourself, or you want to it kind of bring the one you already have in your gallery. So once you do that, like for instance, I might just decide to click on gallery. If I click on gallery and choose any of my photos, if I go to album, I may see under camera, I may see any of my photos here, or you see any photo. You just want to use that photo, turn it to a singing photo. You just choose the photo, any of them. That's the way it works. Just choose a photo of your like this is the photo I have here, or I may choose this one now. Now I will now tell the system, I say let it sync, let the photo image sync. I lift it this way, it's coming up. Watch the same pattern, it's generating it. Once it's done generating, it's going to still give you the exact what you have the other side. Just watch. Let's quickly look at this first. We're not going to take the same time we took in the other one because we've already shown you. Once I get to where we are before, now look at all these things. I can choose any of this. I choose this one. Immediately we are here again. You now say prompts. You say edit, add. You can add something else, animate, lip sync. So once I click on lip sync now, the system will want me to choose a song of here or type my own now. Okay. Okay. I click on this. This is Choma Odomas. I've seen it. Let's watch. Let me just stop this. You're watching it. Now I can extend it. Like I told you, I want this photo to sync longer of this song. I send. If after that I want it to sing long again, I just do that. So this is exactly how you do stuff like this. So please try it. And if you want to learn more how to use AI to do all these things and create contents and monetize on Facebook, I will encourage you to join our class by starting next week on Facebook content monetization with AI support. If you are interested, let me know through the comment box wherever you're watching this video from. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.